I am an endangered species. There are places that I will set foot in. They will definitely kill me. When a boy declare fatwa on someone's head. Ndigbo are slumbering. Tete n'oge erugo mgbe Igbo ga-eji were their rightful position in the committee of nations. Faith must connect you to your purpose. I have a vision. Do this and do that. That will bring this. This will bring that. The Igbo Ordinala encompasses every facet of our human endeavors. We must blame the Nollywood for giving the wrong notion to the minds of people about ihe gbasara Ordinala. The executive governor of Anambra State, calm it down. What is happening in Anambra shouldn't be happening. When you stop people from going to the river to perform spiritual rites, what if they go insane? Why are you in the company of Mazi Chukwuemeka? That guy is an antichrist. He is teaching Igbo. We need them more than we need P2B.
Can you challenges in this your journey? Kedu challenges, kedu obstacles in trying to do this?
I am somebody now. My security. I am an endangered species. There are places that I will go to now. I will not come back. There are places that I will set foot in. They will definitely kill me. So, on the Muslim, when a boy declare fatwa on someone's head, I have that kind of baggage hovering around my head. Those are challenges. That I'm not free like any other person. I am the kind of person that I will go that kind of person of interest where people don't name a live video. That is why I don't normally do much of live videos, because it will give up my location. I don't live a normal life like any other. They say I'm a content creator. Most of my contemporaries, most of the people that I've brought into this movement in order to bring me down, Hana koro nde chinaka ha. Now I'm a content creator, that I'm not a unifier, in order to score points. But I asked them, but I'm not living a normal life. I have a file in DSS that is opened. I have a standing petition in the office of the IG. So whatever I do, I'm careful. So those are challenges, because everybody na query, na say photo, na say video. Oh, we are live here. I can't do that, because I fear for my security. I fear that somebody disgruntled about our movement and I go BLE can come after me. So I'm hanging. Mana Chukwu yala ihe Chukwu na ihe mu na yeso aga na edum. Because these powers are not guiding me, I won't be here today. Then another challenge is funding. Because each week, 4 days a week, I'm on the road. Sometimes 5 days a week, I'm on the road. Agumano here. At least, more like the other time.
Yes.
More like I'll make well in how many days.
Yes.
But I'm here today. I came since I'm in Anambra for about 3 days now. Now, I'm not moving. So funding. Because I have to fuel my car. I go like a liter of petrol. So funding. So, but I talk about my accommodation. Back in the days, I went to a hotel of 10,000, 20,000. But we now hotel is 35,000. And I won't have money about 2 days. I'll have to be in a hotel that is 70,000 there.
Mm-hmm.
You know, so those are challenges.
Dalu.
Thank you.
Dalu. And when other unifiers now this very journey?
Sure. Anyway.
Okay. How is it going? What is the cohesion like?
Well, Emma, and when banning challenges.
Okay.
The world can testify that when I say I'm the convener of the Unified Igbos now, yeah, it is on record. So when other unifiers, because what my platform was all about, as I was alone, I was a voice in the wilderness. So I took a if we catching that man for the threats, open threat to then for those WhatsApp forums, I share my pictures. My pictures in some communities now. I wouldn't age day. I want you go them. I gave you all the reason. So mbani me henda mbodi at the peak. You know, and I say, how dare you? How dare you come and tell us our history? How dare you come and tell us that we are Igbo? Ndigbo. How would you come here and tell us? So, when you mind here, I relax back. So that was what bettered the movement proper. That was what bettered other proponents. Proponents. Anybody that is preaching towards or for the unity of Ndigbo is a proponent. So that was where I now say we will ordain more proponents, especially from this identity crisis or identity conflict affected areas. Takam Shibawa. Now, what is the proponents? Convincing them that this is the right way. If I don't have the dream, if I don't have we're doing it, but without no voice. If I don't have belief that they are Ndigbo, but they don't have voice that could echo. So Nnamen TV was there to give them that echo, to give them that, to amplify their voices. It is beholden for us to have good rapport, you know, anag, but you don't anachi madachi, you know, and I never tried to.
Yes.
Because I've always been skeptic about politicizing the movement. I want it to be more of cultural awareness.
Yes.
So, but other people who have intent for power, and when they love power, they want to be in control. They want to be, because maybe they want to be the people that controls the narrative. Who has oga. So bido by blackmail. I don't want to carry everybody along.
The unifiers?
Yes.
Wow.
So bido mwewezie splinter groups. Bido you know, bido politics, bido internal politics, which I don't even, I need him. So, but being that I have the interest of behind him, I have a vision. I want a blueprint. Do this and do that. That will bring this. This will bring that. And I connect. So the first, this thing will amplify these people's voices. Let them preach. It's about preaching. It's about sensitization. Not for political
gain.
Not for political gain, not for political relevance, but let everybody preach. But how most of the people that I have amplified, when a political undertone, they want to be seen, they want to be politically relevant. And they started politicizing the movement on their own. When was the president, chairman, control, they balkanized it, in fact. While I am, you know, they wanted to shut down the Unified Igbos Now movement in Kebutria. They wanted Masimba that I coordinate here. I coordinate this movement. Coordination, not as chairman, not as CEO, not as president. Coordinator. I coordinated you to preach. Keep preaching. So how? Because you cannot. Man is a political animal. So the intent, so which no bad blood, provided that you are preaching towards the unity of Ndigbo. and you are not using the platform or to do anything that is so personal that will undermine the project to unify Ndigbo. But to be under that political this thing, I rejected it. And that is why I stayed on my own. Name. Results. It's about connectivity. It's about influence. Influence is about influence is about your projects that are golden to the society. Bido say that okay, if we must unify Ndigbo, we must also be responsible for Ndigbo. Back I see Bido Ndigbo Cultural and Social Enlightenment for Unity Foundation. It's not a political movement. It's a foundation for cultural enlightenment. Just like the award I went yesterday. The award I went na Umori. Yeah. It's for Ecuador. So the Ecuador here ordinal Ndigbo, Ecuador here Jimana Ndigbo, Igbo culture.
Yes.
So when that foundation create ka inwe ike charity na aba na the indigent communities of Ndigbo ndị a na-anụ na 5 eastern states ndị a governors na-elere anya. No, there's no political representation for them. There are no social amenities. So ebe aka partner, the people that we have partnered with is Pine Leaf Estates and Eastside Ventures. Ka we can get under aid, which today we have built toilets for their schools for 30 years. Out of the school, I toilets. You can imagine the difficulty. Hey, water. Ebe ha na-echute mmiri na ngene. Ha chute boil ya, ụfọdụ ndị ga-boil ya, ụfọdụ edosakwa nwa yota. Enweghị na-eme ha. Mana today now, agbapụrụle ha mmiri, courtesy of Pine Leaf Estate.
Wow.
Courtesy of Pine Leaf Estate na Ndigbo. So Ndigbo na-atụta. Kwe na-atụta. Nwa nke ha tụtara ya ejiri ya rụọ that toilet. Then, Pine Leaf kwa na adekwa committed more. Na iba na Benue. Company like Kulele Bitters. Nyere anyị ọkụ. Bigger about 20 solar panels, solar energy. Na ga amount around the Benue, ndị Igbo na Benue. Ebe anyị nwe ọkụ. Ha enwe ihe dịka electric pole. Enwe ihe dịka electric, ndị ama electricity. Ha enwekwu mmiri. So, anyị na-elekwa anya with the partnership anyị nwere with all these companies. Na ga-ewegara ha ihe ndị, na ga na-eme ihe ndị ka ọ na-aga. And you begin to, a lot of my contemporaries too, bịara na-enye propaganda. Na adịm interested na ego. Na it is money that is motivating. I started moving around without something. I was happy that through endorsement deals. The endorsement deals, others guys sign endorsement deals, but I still infuse the money into moving. Now, I did not just sign endorsement deals with companies. Rather, I still bring these companies to aid Igbo. How many people in Megaya? How many? So, mana, I will na I say, okay, ka na agba ukwu ose. God, Chukwu okike. Chukwu munyere m akụ n'aka. Mee emume adịrị otu m dị. In the image of God. Nye m the vision. Ma ihe ọ chọrọ ka anyị mee, and anyị na-emere ya ihe ọ chọrọ. Ya ga o ji na-agọzikwe. Ya ga o ji mee nke ọbụla anyị mere. Anyị enweta result. Nke ọbụla anyị pụtakwara, anyị enweta result. So ọwụ mmadụ na-eme.
Own a land, secure your future. Invest with Pine Leaf Estate and Properties Limited for your peace of mind.
Dalu, afom nyaba award enye yesterday. Congratulations on the wonderful award and everything.
Thank you.
From the symbolism, Ecolo, and
yes.
Can you hear Mr. State the award? What is it for? By any means, in totality. Okay. What was the award for?
The award is more spiritual than it's physical. It's more spiritual than it's physical. Onye nyere anyị ya aje mona gwaro. na Nneyi Ụmụeri na Ezi Ụmụeri is spiritual. Aje mmụọ na-agụ arọ wo a spiritual symbol or a man, but all the more spiritually, he's more spiritual than his physical. N'Ụmụeri jụọ ajụjụ. Ha garuru Igbo gbaa afa jụọ kedu ndị na-akwado the survival of the Igbo race in totality. My name and other names was mentioned. Ndigbo was mentioned. Mazi Dibia was mentioned. Chukwuemeka was mentioned. Another lady and other people was mentioned because these people are ihe ha na-arụ dị iche from any other person. Call all of them content creators, but they are more spiritually, ihe ha na-eme more spiritual. Otu esi edozi Igbo. So that ikoro ile anya onye na-akụ kpotokpoto, as in na-akụ ikoro ikute ndị Igbo n'ụra. Ndị Igbo are slumbering.
Wake up call.
Wake up call. Wake up. Tete n'oge erugo mgbe Igbo ga-eji were their rightful position in the Committee of Nations. While others, why njigwa gị na o zuru ezu, including you, onwe ndị nọ na economic renaissance of ala Igbo, onwe ndị nọ na security renaissance of ala Igbo, onwezi ndị nọ na the cultural spiritual renaissance of ala Igbo. That while mjime again at least wona, I am a unifier with verifiable evidence that I have called brother from here, called brother from here, called brother from here. Let's meet. And we met. And here I wrote that I unify Igbos now where they resonate. It is echoing in Ekwere. The people that are interested in this identity crisis hates me. But the work I made is putting them into shame. Because it is through our work, where this Ekwere presidency something now, very, very strong. Before now, before we came, there was nobody talking about unifying Ndigbo in this proportion. So that is why IG offered the Ayanaka. And then, provided we are still doing the work of God, nobody can take offer from another man. Offer the Ayanaka firmly on this hand. Nobody can take it. Because we have a mission. And Chukwuemeka, I have never gotten so sick for 3 years. I say I've never gotten so sick. Normal stress of issue, stress of the fatigue. But I've never been in the hospital. I have not spent money since I was old.
No. This Namen TV, what is the choice of the name and then what is it all about? Because when we are for we, just like I told you, I be answering more about Namen Unkai na Nubu na Didi na Dream FM, which is Didi Namen and everything. Care about the conglomerate of Didi Namen? Is it a company? Is it just a Facebook page?
All right.
And why the name?
Gbam. Kowano. Namen TV. Nkem na nyochite anya ya taa. Wo a company of 2 persons. Mụ na ezigbote ọkwa aka m. The man that saved me from the street. And about Tyrone Blaze Odunze. Ezigbote mmadụ. Ọ mụ na ya nwe Namen. I bidoro Namen as normal content factory. I ban a street, draw trivial questions, at church. But I guess bido. Mana Chukwu nwere other plans. I say I bido mewe ihe ụmụazị ba na-eme, mana kweta isi pụta bara. Just like Saul, God arrested Saul and turned him to Paul. So God arrested Namen reposition. I say let's use the platform and start a movement, unify Igbos now. So awo Didi. I'm not going with Didi before. Man, the choice of that name, nah man, it's an exclamation. It's an exclamation, and Ndigbo. And a lot of people now within Ndigbo self, they very familiar with nah man. If we give me exclamation, nah man. Let it hear him.
Yes.
So it's it's an exclamation. So I be there. I am an awuro shiriketa. So I say kaina good. Mana we started well.
Yes. I don't know, but we had touch of because so many people have been talking about what Aguleri represents in the Igbo cosmology. And I'm surprised onye Imo State, Tona Aba, is still talking about that Aguleri, talking about Umuri, talking about Omambala. As a person now, can you feel the Aguleri that dotag from Imo, dotag from Abia, and Ibiakwa pay kwa that allegiance that we had here? What is Ndigbo?
Nke a dị controversial. Aguleri, in terms of Gbam, is the spiritual side of the Holy Igbo race. Anybody can go ahead and dispute it. It's the spiritual home, it's the spiritual site of Ndigbo, the Igbo race. And for us to be great, we must come. I was Arabia, Meziwe, Tiwaka. As in what Ronaba, under the hip hop culture. Ndemam as X-type, extra talented young progressive entrepreneur. I want to be the Bamba. Nankabla name and animating him, animating you, animating you body and soul.
Yes.
I make him a little fame now as an artist. Mana faith must connect you to your purpose. My purpose in life is where I am today, doing this. Because when you watch me, when you see me speak, you will know that this is spiritual than it's physical. Connection with the Eri or Aguleri did not happen because I wanted to come. But and when we came as normal cameramen this year, as in this year. The next year, we came back as honored titled men, as Nze. I came as a cameraman, come video as Canada. We left. Then, this is my spiritual spiritual connection. I was not invited back as a cameraman back. I was invited to come and be bestowed upon a titleship, that is the Anyanwu Iduere. It did not just end there. I was also sponsored to be part of the Ezeri cabinet as Onyimu. Because it is faith. Because these things are very, very important in the spiritual realm. This backup. Because now the spiritual backup means that I can enter into any kingdom as an emissary to that ancient kingdom, to preach, to tell them that I'm not Igbo. And I have been doing it. And I am being received. And that is with every a king person and a king emissary. You will treat a king emissary like you treat that
yes.
king. So every kingdom they open up to me. So ihe ni ihun ebe Unify Igbos na nshi. From a ragtag journalist naga ajụ mmadụ trivia question. What do you call this and what do you call that? To a prince of a kingdom such as ancient Idueri kingdom. Now, what do you think will happen to our first international trip to Jamaica with all my full regalia as a prince of this kingdom coming to tell you that it is bliss. The doors will be open and we shall connect those our brothers back home down to that kingdom, because we are not going to unite our brothers on political identification. Yeah. We shall connect them to what? A spiritual identity. Which other kingdom in Igbo land has that spiritual connect? It is ancient Idueri kingdom, which is the Ezaka Jofo, the 34th, Eze Dibarabo, a kingdom that has been existing, the 34th on the throne. When you know that kings does not die like chickens, they have spirit, they have powers. Mazi Chukwuemeka has power, spiritual power, and I as an ordinary person, and he's not ordinary. So kings before him has been on the throne. They know 20 years, they know 15, they know 30. Now a king will join his ancestor before you crown another king. And crown until always anazo. Always anazo. Always election. Is the election. You know that? Is the more ga masile ko onye and onye ahụ ga ama nna ya. So you know the story. So people that are not in line with ihe media should let me a discussion of students from our universities, from our secondary schools. Agana that na obugad. Umazi na detu na anaju when king when eze when ụbọchị agwa ya agwa ya nụrụ nye ha history ịnụ akụkọ eze Chukwuemeka itiwe mkpu. He's from birth he has been spiritual. So when we connect our brothers from Haiti, from the entire Caribbean island to United States, we will point them to that direction.
Yes.
And they will connect spiritually to their ancestors.
Yes.
So that is what we are working. Thank you.
For your best live streaming experience, where you as a creator can earn and the followers earn too, download the Heyom app.
For end-to-end secure messaging with awesome video and audio call services, download the Heyom app.
The best social media platform on board now is
Heyom.
Heyom.
Download the Heyom app on Play Store for all Android devices.
Kedu eze anyanwụ a nze anyanwụ because having such a title and everything plus ihe ị na-eme enwe ka o si ebutelu gị ezigbo ihe ka ajọ ihe even among the ranks, you know, enwe ka o si affect enwe any form of envy, tussle and then you know the likes, make all these things. And then what's up with the whole tussle among the whole ranks from you and other people? Go ahead.
Okay. First of all, I am Awomo Nzanya Muta, and also a member of Ezeri cabinet. By this statute, I am the highest ranking chief in my own community. An entire Mbiri clan. And by extension, the entire Mbitoli. Mabiana hierarchy. How chiefs or how nzes, how chiefs are rated. My crown or my titleship is from a higher energy, from a higher ground.
Wow.
So having such a powerful title of Anyanwu, I think I am the second Anyanwu in Igbo, outside the late Iwu Anyanwu. And the day I was coronated was the day he was buried. So by every means, spiritually, I am the next Anyanwu Igbo. Nobody has gone to Anyanwu to get a part of Anyanwu. You will melt. So I am in that level. Naturally, it is attracting and bringing envy. Maka na ndị Igbo kwuru sị, eze bụ ilo.
Yes.
But it's just that in the head that Ishi Bu Ogidi is the meekest and the most down to earth. So I defeat hate with love.
Yes.
I disarm hate with compassion.
Yes.
I disarm them with what is right.
Yes.
Wisdom and deep knowledge of what I know. So, among the ranks, obutere envy, because everybody wants to be powerful, everybody wants to be influential. But once you are more determined to be, and because nature will will hand it over to onye need.
Yes.
I didn't need distance. I just wanted to be a very simple person. Na ebindum.
Yes.
As in, I love the simplest things. I have never thought about affluence. I just, even in Bayern, I am the easily assessed person. I want a movement in launch 2013, 2014. Beautiful people. When you X-type now about my beautiful people movement. So what I can be through package way movement. So most people had a surprise. Na him gawuta. Mana onye obula mana awom somebody need. I like him the simplest things. Mana I say God gives you even what you don't.
Yes.
Because some money ejideli. Ụfọdụ ndị wụ na ha nọrọ na the position m. Ụta ka aka ga ha. Anyanwụ na-egiri na-eme ụta na-ebikọ jirizie dị aha na-eme ihe ọjọọ. But I am not looking at that. I have people who are taking care of me and don't even ask them. I don't even ask them. I will people like Pine Leaf, Bishop Uzekwesi. As if he understands what's before I open my mouth. And I'm at the position he does it. And I'm not a does. But I'm part of that fold. And I'm happy. People like Ayos Chibeze, Bitcoin Chief. They understand the position. So they just, as in, they can, to them, it is responsibility God to take care of this man. Because for me, I say, okay. Where you walk, you will chop.
Yes.
So, how do I maintain my lifestyle? How do I maintain my travel? Because Facebook, I don't earn on Facebook. A lot of people does not know. I went about 100 or something because I've been cancelled since. And I didn't see much views. But I struggle, you know. But I need to get informations. Always for but I'm always on the road. I'm always fueling I'm always maintaining my tuke. Mana ama na Ndigbo aga ekwe ka ihere mem. Igbo. Nah, I wouldn't be able to They will always come out for to my rescue. They have always been doing that. But this movement describe that in a very little beginning, they were all there. Ndigbo was financing. Rukweta. But most of my people name say, "Bah, na m gara na nke Matthias so dị afọ na agụrụ ga-egbu m." But Chineke ekwe ka agụrụ egbu m. I say, why are you in the company of Mazi Dibia? That guy is an antichrist. Agwa na ahụ Dibia na no antichrist. Ahụta m ya na antichrist. He is teaching Igbo. Ụmụ anyị ọ ga-amụ Igbo. So m na-eji aka na-arịọ ụmụ Igbo say, let them stop persecuting Mazi Dibia and the rest. Na-ahụ maka Igbo teaching, Igbo spirituality. We need them. We need them more than anything. We need them more than we need Peter Obi. Then, another thing I'm going to go here. What is happening in Anambra with the governor shouldn't be happening. He can make laws. He's the governor. He's the chief security officer. But his approach, Beziridika, on a wage crusade. You don't go about arresting Nahawunde native doctor. We know that there are bad people. Are they that powerful that you will be arresting them? Then I say, these are spirit, these are people, these are religion, these are religious people. You don't tell them not to sacrifice to their. Then when you stop people from going to the river to perform some spiritual cleansing and spiritual rites, what if they go insane? Do you have any facility that will revive them? So the way he is approaching this thing, it is hard handy or high handy, or the two. Ojiyakike. In fact, grammar. Sota one. But it's as if he's on a mission of crusade, just like we had in the olden days, in centuries ago, when the Papa sat on his seat and blessed the princes of the church. Who are the princes of the church? The governors, the kings, the king of France, the king of England, the king of Spaniard, the king of German, the king of all these places. BBC people in the name of crusade. I kill you in the name of God. Just like we have the jihad. Jihad never stopped. Crusade never stopped. So Ndigbo, the way the governor is doing this is as if he is waging a crusade against the remnants of Ndodinala. Live and let live. These people deserve to be let free to practice their religion. Let them practice their religion. They shouldn't be held under hostage or under duress to sign, never to, or to sign to adhere to some certain laws. So I am using this medium to appeal to the executive governor of Anambra State to calm it down. It shouldn't be as if he's a Christian. He has mentioned it countless of times. But let him not prove that he's on a mission of crusade to keep spreading, to put off the dissents. Exterminate people who has a different religion from him. Live and what?
Let live.
Thank you.
Thank you. This Igbo chieftaincy now, do you think that it has been bastardized? Or kadikwa before, you know? You know, okay, that potency, that relevance, that purity, before. And when I see me according do you think na will go out on since over?
Okay. Well, Agme could that now. This is the right time that the Igbo chieftaincy is coming back to life. Now that we have younger people who are returning to know that if you don't give yourself value, nobody's going to give you value.
Mm-hmm.
If you don't value that which is sacred to you, to your people, to your existence, nobody's going to. Shebi, I want to say, You are supposed to be an Igbo chief. No. Now the young people are now taking it over, and it is expected and it should be encouraged that young people like you and I should go for chieftaincy title. But kingdoms, communities, should line up. This my chieftaincy is not out of no a handsome man, Kenya, no a fair boy, no when you no. It came because of merit. Ihe onye a na-eme n'Igbo. Owo my community. Or for Igbo niile. So kedi otu a ga-esi wee kwadie. Every kings kwesịrị nye honor to their young people. They gotta have, I want to bestow you or bestow upon you a chieftaincy title. Because ever since Mbu, this is a responsibility. What is it in my ways, the way I talk, the way I reason matter? Ana akpọ m ikpe. Ana akpọ m ka I settle on here. Ana akpọ m businesses that needs trust. Ana akpọ m ka m bịa tinye kwenata. Ka m tinye aka ka m nọrọ as witness. Ka m nọrọ, you know. So it is a responsibility. So as the responsibility na ka m ga-abịa mee ga were mewe nonsense. Kwe hụla ejidere m. So if I was a criminal, definitely I'm going to change. If I wasn't even a criminal and maybe Patana say come jiri the office jiri mewe criminal, ekwe mana ejidego m by offer.
Yes.
So ke jiri offer jide ụmụ Igbo. As in jiri ka ha dị responsible.
Yes.
So every anime advocate sika each nwa afọ Igbo lọta ụlọ. Ka I wear this red cap as a symbol of honor. You know that? Symbol of prestige. I wear you know in Igbo where that is ineko. I need I know in Igbo ineko. Onye na wo onye Igbo na ahụta ara na agba ya. Ya na anwụ. Ya no na. So onye wukwa na onye Igbo na anụ na that title kana ahụta. Ya agbali ya wụrụ ezigbo mmadụ wụrụ soro n'ime ndị ga-anọ na that red cap.
Yes.
Abịa na occasion ihu ndị red cap kwanyere ha ugwu. Ọ ga-eme encourage other people. But go as a red cap chief, do not desecrate that red cap.
I want to make healthy living a culture in our society. The turn of to make exercise, get sweat. That sweat is very important. Ibana garden, give bela kokoni, very natural food. Or if your body need it, just new abuna day to chukusike.
Hold it with every vigor, with every valor, with every self-respect, with every self-worth. Protect it, because thank you.
Daalụ nne. A na-ekwu okwu ọdịnala a ọ dị ka ifu gị before, man, at least kwa ya ntụ n'isi. Kedu role ifili na ọdịnala as ọdịnala Igbo yana ịmụ ọdịnala? Kedu role ifili na oge play in uniting and creating that bridge to connect ndị Igbo? Kedu role ifili na oge play bụ that ọdịnala?
Ị ga-ekwu ọdịnala without ikwu ihe mere ọdịnala.
Okay.
Ka ebidogodi na-eke orie afọ na nkwọ.
Yes.
Ka ebido na ihe ochie, ihe tara nchara, ihe ọkpụtọrọkpụ dị n'ala Igbo. Igbo is ancient.
Yes.
Kedu ihe mere ha ji dịrị united? Eji wụrụ na Igbo. Ka ihe mere eji wụrụ eke zụrụ ebe a zụrụ. Eke zụrụ ebe a na ọka ebe a na-azụ taa weke.
Yes.
Eke zụrụ n'aka ebe a na-azụ na all the way ịgba nkene. Kedu ihe mere? Ọfọ. Ihe eji gbuo okike. Agbara. Ụfọdụ na-atụ agbara ụjọ. Na-ahụta agbara. Agbara ihe ọjọọ. Ekwensu. Mana agbara ihe eji gbuo okike. Eji ọfọ a gbaa Igbo niile okike. So ị na-ekwu okwu na ị chọrọ ịkpọlata onye ịgba nke na-azụ eketa, onye ụkwụ anyị na-azụ eke taa, onye ịka na-azụ eke taa, ndị osimiri na-azụ eke taa, kedu ihe ị ga-eji? Akwa ọdịnala ị ga-eji, because the Igbo ọdịnala encompasses every facet of our human endeavors, every facet of our life, of our living, of our essence. Ọdịnala, because in ọdịnala there are laws. Ọdịnala is about law. Ihe anyị ji jide onwe anyị, ihe anyị ji kwe na ebi our day-to-day life, because abịa na divorce ka m bido ebe ahụ.
Yes.
A ga-achọta kedu ihe ga-eme nwoke ga-eji divorce nwaanyị ya.
Yes.
A ga-achọta ya, and it will justify ihe niile n'ụdị ya. Abịa na ịlụ nwaanyị, ọdịnala will justify kedu otu esi alụ nwaanyị. Otu esi lụọ nwaanyị ya bụ otu esi lụọ nwaanyị the other side. The only thing dị iche wụ na ị nara ji atọ, mụ nara ji anọ. Ị na-ata?
Yes.
Na abịa na ike family estate, ọdịnala prescribes the way, the method, etu esi ma nwa mụtara na mba. In Igbo, there is no bastard. Ordinala protects every person's rights. Ordinala protects the right of Wapara. Ordinala protects the right of Nkenta, Mbime. Wuna oya ga-eri ọgba nne ya. Wapara ga-eri obi nna ya. Owe ya.
Obi na mkpuke.
Mkpuke wo.
Mkpuke bụ
the last
born, yes.
Ọgba nne ya nọ.
Yes, onye bụ ọgba nne ya.
Ebe ekwu nne ya. So ọdịnala protects this. Ọdịnala. So ọ bụrụ na onye ikwere na onye isu ama, onye isu nwewe issue, ọdịnala can decide it. Kpere ha ikpe ahụ asị ụmụnne ya agawa. But ebe ya onye Igbo na onye Yoruba nwee nsogbu, ikpe wit ọdịnala ya emebie because ha awụ ofu. Ọdịnala nwere otu esi mgbe eji akụ ihe ubi, otu esi ewe ya. Ihe ndị awụ ya ọdịnala. A lot of people ama. A lot of people na-adị ha ka maybe all these aqua red, and we must blame the Nollywood for this bastardization of giving the wrong notion to the minds of people about ihe gbasara ọdịnala. Because akwụkwọ ọdịnala ahụta eze mmụọ ji ọja gịnị na ụmụ ihe those things are drama, those things are play. Ebe ka ị na-ahụ ya n'ala Igbo. So ọdịnala protects us. Ọdịnala ma gwara gị mgbe ị ga-eji akụ ihe ubi na mgbe ị ga-ewere na ihe ị ga-ahapụ. With ọdịnala, you don't take everything ị kụtara n'ubi, as in ị ga-ahapụ some for the less privilege a ga-aga dị were. Ọdịnala kwuru otu esi egbu anụ. You don't kill an animal because you want to kill. Ọdịnala protects the rights of animal. O nwere otu esi egbu. Ọdịnala protects our environment. Ọdịnala mere ka anyị nwee neatness. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Ọdịnala na. There is no dirty thing in ọdịnala. No dirty, no one single dirty thing. Ọdịnala is clean. Asị nwa mụrụ n'Aba ma ebido mụọ ihe ndị aghọta amụm ya, but na nghọta through those time travel, those teleportation na-enwe ka m ji na-ahụ ihe ndị na-ahụ ya. And that is it.
Daalụ.
Thank you.
Daalụ. I've taken enough of your time. Mana ihe mana ndị Igbo sị na anya fụlụ ugo nwụrụ ya maka na da afọ ugo kwada. Maka na ife ji ewe nkwanụ Gbam wee kpọọ ya Gbam a ọ bụ ebe a na-ekwu ya ọda Gbam. Ya mee ụfọdụ ndị be anyị aghọtabere ya, mana ama m na very soon fa ga-aghọta the significance of this program, because anyị na-atry ka anyị reach ma ndị Abakaliki, ma ndị Enugu, ma ndị Ọnịcha, ma ndị Owerri, ma ndị Ngwa, Isikwu Atọ, Ikwu Anọ, ịghọtago ebe niile ịghọtago ebe niile Igbo gbaa gburugburu. So far you can reach us, we will give you the platform. Enwe ife anyị na-eme na program anyị a na-akpọ Take Your Time. O nwere ike ọ bụ na enwe ife anyị na-ajụrụ ịchọkwa ka ịkpatụ aka maka na mmadụ ada amacha ife amacha, ma ọ na onwe nke anyị jụkwa gị ịchọkwa ile emphasis ya, ma ọ na onwe ndị iche inye shout out ekene, ma ọ na onwe ndị iche ịcall out dragon ma ọ bụ mkpọle, ma ọ na enwe ndụmọdụ ya bụ advice nke ọbụla ị chọọ ime this is your time biko gaa n'ihu.
Aga m ewere the second option, which is ndị m chọrọ inye shout out to. Achọrọ m inye shout out to Bishop Dr. Onyeka Nzekwesi. I think the man is extraordinary. I don't know. Sometimes I'm not imagine what goes on in his mindset. But I can't understand. I can't. Man, you see Yajide Nkuji. His impact is being felt. Man, I see the business, his real estate now abawanye. Man, I need shout out to Gaius Chibeze, chief, the Bitcoin chief. Yeah, we didn't Ndigbo, as in the kind of Igbo men, I could say, people that wants to invest in our Igbo, no matter what, no matter the persecution on their face. He has lost millions, even billions, but yet he's still ready to infuse more billions. I know him one-on-one. I've interacted with him a couple of good times. He's a real Igbo man. Then na-ekele Pastor Ugwu onye Ogwashi, Pastor Sivin Ugwu onye Ogwashi Ugwu. Agụmako wachali because so a private person. Mana ama m na ọ ga-agbaghara na akpọrọ m aha ya. He's a great soul. Then the last but not the least, Wilson Nwanne is Egwu Africa na London, na the whole of Europe. These are very, very important people in my journey. And I want to use this opportunity to thank them, to give them this shout out, and let them know that somebody like me, I value them. And I will always come out for them, no matter what. Thank you.
Dalarin eze anyanwụ nze anyanwụ it's good to have you. I like if onye ndị ife Igbo na-amasị. When you mentioned Gaius Chibeze, I remember him, Voice of the East guy.
Yes.
Olu Ndigbo, and then Kedo app. Ana m afụ ife ọ na-eme na ana Igbo, especially in Enugu. And when they bụ endangered species, just like you said, they should be protected by all means. Young men that ife ndị Igbo na-amasị, young men that ife ndị Igbo na-echu ụla. So shout out to all of them too. And then onye ọbụla as support to your journey should be encouraged. And personally too, just like I've done when you're in my office, I want to encourage you personally. Maka no mango chala chaka na amụ okwute. Any osi ọbụla na-enwero fruit chala acha na ya, ụmụazị adị eje dị ya. Eme gịnị ka a na-ejekwa na ya?
Anaghị kpara mpịapịa.
Mana ọ chara enwe ndị ga na-akwa dị osi aka. Karị mgbango weda, nwe ndị ga na-atụ, nwe ndị ga na-ala enu.
Okwute.
Yes. So I want to encourage you.
Thank you.
Jideke iji. Oda adisi easy. You are more like a missionary person. Anyị nwa dịka ndị na-anọ wee na-eme. Unu wa ndị na-ejepụ. So unu wa na-anọ on the risk. Even otu agata obodo anyị magburu onwe na mma. The whole risk and everything.
Yeah.
But ị na-etinyekwu uchu. Jideke ije.
Thank you.
At least ibe go Gbam tata anyị anụ ka o si wee dị n'obi. Maka na Gbam bụ ịbịa izeda. Maka na enwere some things bụ na ịbịa kwube na your platform ajọghị kedu ọjụ gị fa niile ị na-akọ. Who asked you this way they talk? Mana ịbịa Gbam ajụ ọnụ gị ya iwe kwuen. And I'm happy that anybody bịa Gbam onye a bịa na onye a na-feel lighter.
Yeah.
Because the person have, finally, I've said this and let's see how it goes. Thanks for coming around.
Thank you.
Ndị be anyị na-ekenekwa ndị na-akwado anyị n'ife anyị na-eme bụ ndị Pine Leaf Estate and Properties Limited. Ịchọ igo ana gbasili ike, ịchọ igo ụlọ gbasili ike, ịchọ igo ana bụ na igo ịnaba, inwe peace of mind. Gbakwuru ndị Pine Leaf Estate and Properties Limited for your peace of mind. Afam ka bụ Dr. Chijioke Igwendu odogwu ya mba bụ ezigbo onye Aba. Ndị be anyị ebe a ka ga-ewecha na njedebe na ụbọchị nketa na Gbam. Ka afụnụ mgbe ọzọ ka o mesịa nọ.
Komesia.
Peace.
Komesia.
Ị nwere akọpụlụ iche ịchọ ka ụwa nọ. Ị nwere ife dị n'obi ịchọ ikwu Gbam. Ị nwere ife dị omimi ịchọ ka onye ọbụla malụ. O nwere akala aka izole ezo ịchọ ka ụwa fụ na ị nwere passion for. Bịa na Gbam ka ụwa nụ ọnụ iyi. Ị nwere business ịchọ ịkwụnye n'ọkụ. O nwere product ịchọ ka o soro na Gbam. Ịchọ ka ife ị na-ele, ife ị na-eme na-aga as viral as Gbam. We are here for you. Contact the number on your screen. Ka ịkwụnye n'ọkụ ka ịfụ na ọ na-eme. Adamuaka, Gbam is the biggest Igbo interview in the world. Come and find out for yourself. Thank you.